This testimony was taken from a person who experienced the problem of their Toyota Corolla not starting and said the following: I have a 2012 Toyota Corolla, and a few months ago it started having a problem that drove me crazy. One morning, as I was leaving for work, I turned the key and nothing. The dashboard lights came on, the radio worked, but the engine didn't even try to crank. I thought it was the battery, so I jumped it with another car, but the result was the same. Total silence. After that, I checked the fuses, the starter relay, and even cleaned the battery terminals in case there was corrosion. Nothing. A friend told me it might be the starter motor, so I took it out and had it tested. It worked perfectly. By that point, I was frustrated and out of ideas. One day, while browsing a Corolla forum, I found someone with the exact same issue, and it turned out to be something as simple as the brake pedal switch. That little sensor prevents the car from starting if it doesn't detect that you're pressing the brake. I checked it, and it was loose and not making contact. I adjusted it, turned the key, and the engine started instantly. Since that day, I've learned that sometimes the most annoying problems have the simplest causes. Now, before spending money, I always check the sensors and small details first. In Corollas, those sensors really rule.